Hello everyone, welcome to MentorsMindIAS. This is the second part of the LCM series. In this part, I will discuss prime factorization as a method for finding the LCM. Prime factorization itself uh, is used in a lot of places, so listen carefully. Factorization is basically defined as a way of finding the prime factors of a number such that the original number is evenly divisible by these factors. For example, say you have a number 126. It can be written in the form of these prime factors 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. This is the prime factorization of 126. How can we find these do this prime factorization? There are also two methods of doing it. The first one is the division method, and the second one is the factor tree method. So first I will be discussing the division method. In case of division method, the basic rule is, core rule you can say, is dividing the given number with the least prime number with which it can be divided. If it is an even number, then the least prime factor will be 2. It can be something other also, but I am taking a simple example where the least prime number is 2. For example, you can say 120. If you have to do its prime factorization by division method, you are going to divide it by 2. Here it is. So now you are going to divide the quotient that you get, that is 60. You are again by the least prime number, which again is 2. Then again you are going to divide 30 with the least prime number, again which it is 2, 15, which is now we get. Now you have to again divide 15 with the least prime number possible. Now it will not be 2, it will be 3. And again when you the least prime number with which 5 is divisible is 5. You get here when you divide it by 5, you get 1. So this is the end of your prime factorization. So the prime factors are 2, 2, 2, 3 and 5, so that 120 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, which is 2 cube into 5. This is the basic division method for doing prime factorization. Let us take another example so that there is no doubt in your head. Say 343. 343, the least prime factor in this case is 7. So when you divide 343 by 7, your quotient is 49. Now again its least factor is 49. Least prime factor is 7 only. Now again when 7 can be least count factor, it can be 7. 1. When the quotient comes 1, your prime factorization is over. So you have 343 can be written as 7 into 7 into 7, which is 7 cube. This is your prime factorization of 343. This was the division method. Now the other, it is similar to the division method only. We are just writing it in the form of 3. I am just covering it formally. You need not use it actually, to be honest. So in case of 60, say 60, you make that number that you have been given to find the prime factors of as the root of it, that is 60. Now it can be written as, you are going to use the least prime number way only. You have to 2 into 30. It can again be written as 2 into 15. 15 again is 3 into 5. So here in this case is your in case of factor tree method, the answer you are going to get is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. These are your factors of 60. In case let's take another example, say 282. Now again you can write it as 2 into 141. And now the least common again you can, if you use the same method only, 3 into 47. All 2, 3 and 47 are prime factors of the prime numbers. So 2 into 3 into 47. This is the prime factorization of 282. Till now what we have done is we have just found the prime factors of the given number, and how to use these prime factors as a way to find the LCM. This is the next step. For finding the LCM, the core concept is, the basic steps are: find the prime factors of the numbers given, then take the highest powers of the prime factors. I am going to just explain this in a second. Say you have to find the LCM of 12 and 18. 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3, which is equal to 2 square into 3. 18 is 2 into 3 into 3, which is 2 into 3 square. Now these are your prime factors, right? 2 and 3. Now the highest powers both for 2 and 3 is, so basically what you need to do is, LCM is, you have to write the prime factors from both the prime factors from both the numbers. Say from it can be common or uncommon. If they are common, then write it once. Say from 12 prime factorization you get 2, and from 18 from 12 2 and 3 both. These are also common for 18, so you do not write them again. Now pick up the highest power. For here from 12 you can see 12 and 18, 2's highest power is 2 only, so that write it here. From 12 and 18, 3's highest power is 2. So your answer your LCM is 4 into 9, which is equal to 36. Now let us take say you have 3 numbers, LCM of 10, 35, 40. So you have to find the LCM of these two. If you have to 2 into 5, prime factors of 10, 35 can be written as 5 into 7. From 40 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 5, 5 into 7, 2 cube into 5. Now I am writing the prime factors that are available to me to find the LCM. 2, 5 into 7, and the highest powers are 2's highest power is 3, 5 highest power is 1, and 7's highest part of this 3 numbers is 1. So this is 8 into 5 into 7, which is equal to 280. This is your LCM. So this was the way of finding the LCM of 2 or 3 numbers by the prime factorization method. In summary, you can write it as find the prime factors, write the prime factors with the highest power. When you multiply them, you get the LCM. So this was all about finding Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe the channel.